Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mind Museum. Today, we're going to talk about pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, an essential tool for any business looking to drive traffic to their website and increase sales. PPC advertising is a model of online advertising where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. It's a way of buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. PPC advertising can be a cost-effective way to get your business noticed, but it requires careful planning and execution to get the best results. Firstly, let's talk about the benefits of PPC advertising. With PPC, you have complete control over your advertising budget, and you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. This means you can easily adjust your spending and optimize your campaigns to get the most bang for your buck. Additionally, PPC allows you to target specific audiences based on factors such as location, interests, and device type. This ensures that your ads are being seen by the right people, which can increase your chances of making a sale. Now, let's dive into the different types of PPC ads. The most common type of PPC ad is the search ad, which appears at the top of search engine results pages when users search for specific keywords. Search ads are a great way to drive traffic to your website, as they appear in front of people who are already looking for what you offer. Another type of PPC ad is the display ad, which appears on websites that are part of the Google Display Network. Display ads are useful for building brand awareness and reaching audiences who may not be actively searching for your product or service. So, how do you create a successful PPC campaign? Firstly, you need to identify your target audience and the keywords they are likely to use when searching for your product or service. Then, you need to create compelling ad copy that will catch their attention and entice them to click through to your website. Finally, you need to continuously monitor and optimize your campaigns to ensure that you're getting the best possible results. This may involve adjusting your ad targeting, testing different ad variations, and tweaking your landing pages to improve conversion rates. In conclusion, PPC advertising can be an incredibly effective way to drive traffic to your website and increase sales. However, it requires careful planning and execution to get the best results. By targeting the right audience, creating compelling ad copy, and continuously optimizing your campaigns, you can make the most of your advertising budget and achieve your business goals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.